Let's make some jewelry with the laser and some new materials from Craft Closet. Hello, I am Katie from the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you love to make jewelry and you have a laser, then this video is definitely for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. These are the materials I will be making jewelry out of. This line from craftcloset.com is called Vogue Elements, and there are 6 different varieties of materials within this line. All of these materials are about 1/16 inch or 0.0625 millimeters, with maybe a little bit of variance in there. I'll make some jewelry out of each of these types of materials. The files that I'm using are files that I designed specifically for these projects, and I will have them available for you to download for free so that you can make your own. The first piece of jewelry I'm going to cut is a necklace pendant, and I'm going to use 2 different materials. We've got this pink Reflections, and it does have a protective layer on it, so that's why it may look a little dull. This material cannot be cut with a diode laser. It is only for CO2. The second is this Glam Flex, and this has a protective layer on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and take it off because I don't want to cut it with that layer on there. So we have this really beautiful material that is nice and flexible. Let's go to our laser and cut these out. These are the little pendant pieces that I cut with my laser. The first thing I need to do on the back of this Reflections heart, there is a plastic liner. So I just need to carefully pull that up without scratching it. Now both sides are nice and shiny. I've got a jump ring here in my needle nose pliers. And I'm gonna put that through the hole in that heart. I'm also going to bring in my 16-inch necklace chain, and I'm going to put my chain into that jump ring as well. To close it, I've got another pair of jewelry pliers, and you want to just twist your wrists to bring those ends of the ring together. That way that ring will keep shape. You could either wear the necklace just like this with just this little heart pendant. I'm going to add this heart, this outline of a heart that we made, and that one doesn't really have a hole per se. You just put it right through the loop of the heart. There is our pendant heart necklace. Isn't that so cute? This sheet is a pressed pattern, basswood with a pattern pressed onto both the front and the back. I will make some earrings with this sheet. Here are the earrings from the pressed wood, some earring wires. I'll need 4 jump rings and 2 pairs of needle nose pliers. Pick up a jump ring and put on that earring wire and close. Twist the wrists. Grab another jump ring, string it through the other jump ring that we just closed and the earring. There's one earring, and repeat for this second earring. There are the earrings from that pressed wood. This sheet is from the Willows collection, and this is a double-sided maple, and it can be cut with both the diode and a CO2 laser. I will make a necklace with this. Here are the circle pendants for our necklace that we're gonna make. First, I'm just gonna poke out all those holes for our jump rings. I am going to add a little bit of character to the wood with some flames. I'm gonna put it on some cardboard here to protect my table. I've got a little torch, and I'm just gonna add some burn marks into that wood. I wanna do both sides, so I'm just gonna flip them over and repeat. Let those cool for a minute. I'm gonna take a damp cloth and just kind of wipe them off, just so I get any loose ash or soot off of them so it doesn't rub off on my clothing or on me. This is the chain that I'm going to use, and this is just an over the head chain. It doesn't have a clasp on it. So we are going to break apart some of the links. I'm going to grab each side of the link with a pair of pliers and twist to open. The necklace is going to go like that. Grab a jump ring this side. Close it. There's going to be 3 jump rings between each little wood piece. And I'm closing them. Again, just twisting the wrists. Now this one also is going to go on that one. See how those are connected now? I'm going to do the same thing to that side. We want those 3 rings between each circle so they lay flat like that. There is the focal point of our necklace. I'm going to take off 2 more rings off of my chain. This ring I'm going to leave open because I'm going to connect it onto my string of circles. Close that. Since I added some length to this necklace, before I connect this end, I just want to make sure it's the right length for what I want. So if I put it right here, can I still put it over my head? I sure can. I'm going to open up this link. I want to remove the excess chain, keep that open, and put that on into the hole on the other side of my circles. Then grab each side of that chain link or jump ring and bring them together. There is our cute necklace. Isn't that so cute? This sheet is from the Gemini collection. It is a patterned acrylic on both sides, and this cannot be cut with a diode laser, but can be cut with a CO2. I will make a pair of earrings with this sheet. Here are the earring flourishes. I've got 2 earring wires. I'm gonna need a couple of the smallest jump rings that I have. Start with the jump ring, and I'll put it on my earring wire. Close that jump ring. Again, just twisting the wrists to bring those ends together. I need 1 more. I'm gonna put that ring on there, as well as our earring. Bring the wrists together to close that jump ring. There's 1 earring. Do the same exact thing for the other earring. I've got my 2nd jump ring. Put the earring hook and our earring, and then close that jump ring. Now we have a new pair of earrings. Aren't those so cute? This material is from the Luxe Leather collection. You can see it is double-sided and super flexible. You can cut this material with both a diode laser and a CO2 laser, and I will make a bracelet with this material. Here is the leather strip for my bracelet. To make this into a bracelet, I've got these little brackets, these jewelry brackets, and let's just disconnect them. And they have these little claws or teeth in there. So they will grip onto that leather and hold it in place. Put it right in there, butt it up against that inside. Started to close it, but I want it really tight. Holding the clasp open with my thumb, I'm just gonna go around and grab that link. Isn't that so cute? I love this bracelet. I think the bracelet is my favorite one. Which one of these pieces of jewelry is your favorite? If you want to get your hands on any of these Vogue elements, then simply go to craftcloset.com. And if you want more fun, free craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.